All right, what to expect on the exams. All right, let's just kind of break down what each exam entails, what your required scores are, how long you get to take it. First, the CEH multiple choice question exam is flat out multiple choice. 4 answer choices, select the single correct answer. You'll face 125 questions over a 4-hour examination window. Most students are right around, well, some of my more prepared students, hour to hour and a half. Most students are right about the 2.5 hour range. It's not trivia. These questions are scenario-based, designed to test your ability to apply ethical hacking knowledge in real-world situations. You'll be asked how you'd respond to attacks, what tools you'd use, and what vulnerabilities to look for in a given setup. Then we have the practical. This is where things get really fun. You're going to sit down and run through an interactive lab-based scenario where you'll solve 20 challenges. This is where you'll show you can actually do the work, and there is a proctor watching you do it. 20 challenges, 6-hour window, simulating a real-world penetration test. Expect to run your core tools: Nmap, Wireshark, crack passwords, search for vulnerabilities, gain access, enumerate systems. The exam doesn't walk you through it. You'll have to think, apply, and execute. Pass both exams, you become a master. No additional test, just proof that you passed both the knowledge and the practical. And again, if you're in that DoD or federal role, apply for the CNDA status.